Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to activate red face ID light on iPhone. And if you're using any iPhone and you want to activate this red face ID light, so let's see how can you do that. So basically you cannot manually activate this red face ID light. It is already activated in your iPhone. If you want to see this, you just need to use a camera because you cannot see this with your own eyes. If you want to see this light, you just have to try to use a camera, and after that you can easily see that because it's an infrared light. You cannot see this with your eyes. So once I've activated your face ID, the light will also already activated. So whenever you try to use your face ID or try to use your face ID anywhere in your app lock and to unlock your face ID or you unlock your phone, it will detect your face. It will help your in-depth camera to detect your face, and after that your phone will unlock. But there's no any option in your iPhone to turn it off or to activate it. So in this way you can easily see your red face ID line by using your camera. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.